Ready for an action-packed trip to Disney? Then you better get packing. Sure, you may have gone on many a trip in your day, but going to Disney is a whole different beast. But it'll be beautiful if you're equipped with everything you need. And we have got you covered. I'm Margot Jordan with AllEars TV, your go-to Disney Trips channel, and we'll jam-pack this quick video with the best and only Walt Disney World packing guide you'll need. Get your suitcases, Excel sheets, notepads, or Post-its ready, and let's get started. Oh, and if you want a copy of this list for your very own, head to AllEars.net/ultimate packing list for a free printable download. What to pack? Toiletries. Disney resorts do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, but you might want to bring your own. And don't forget your toothbrush. Remember, if you do forget something, they likely have it in your resort gift shop. And there's always a convenience store within driving distance. Medications. Always remember to pack any prescriptions along with a few over-the-counter medications, and be sure to keep them in your carry-on bag. Band-Aids. These are great for blisters, cuts. Oh, and moleskin is also a great idea too. Pool gear. Don't forget your bathing suit, waterproof shoes or flip-flops, and a beach towel if you plan on hitting up Disney water parks. The resorts provide towels. Want to capture the action? Bring that camera if you're not using your phone for photos, of course. Chargers. We've got a lot of devices these days, so pack chargers for everything. We suggest bringing a portable charger into the parks. You'll be super bummed if you miss that photo op with Mickey. Gum. We cannot stress enough the importance of having great breath at Disney. Just kidding. But if you do like gum, we suggest that you bring it with you as it's not sold anywhere on Disney property. Hand sanitizer. So many people, so many germs. Need we say more? Sunscreen. It's pretty sunny in Central Florida, even on days with pop-up thunderstorms. No need to feed into the scaries of skin cancer. Umbrella and/or poncho. The Sunshine State is also known for getting lots of rain. If it rains when you're here, you don't want to be caught off guard. Plus, ponchos and umbrellas are expensive in the parks. Save a buck and throw it in the truck, or van, car, train, plane, or whatever mode of transportation you're getting here in. Toys. Now, why do you need toys if Disney is a massive playground? Believe me, the kids may want them. Also, bring any and all supplies your kids need at home, like diapers, wipes, favorite snacks, etc. This will make them feel a sense of comfort and help them adjust to a new place. Autograph book with a fat pen. You're going to want to get all those characters John Hancock's, and a big pen or Sharpie makes it much easier for them to hold. Trust us, we know. Coffee or tea. You'll want some caffeine to stay fully alert through the long days. Disney resorts have a small Cuisinart pod or Keurig-style coffee maker in each room with Joffrey's brand coffee and tea, but if you like a different brand, bring your own. Bottled water or refillable water bottles. Here's the deal, tap water in Orlando can be an acquired taste. Bring bottled water, pick some up from the store when you get in, or have a 21st century grocery delivery service drop it right at your door. Otherwise, bring a refillable bottle to save money rather than spending money on the pricey water in the parks. And now for some clothing tips. Pack a few extra outfits in case it gets too hot or you get soaked in a rainstorm or on a water ride. Splash Mountain is no joke, especially if you're sitting up front. Better yet, plan on spending a day or a half a day at the resort and do laundry. All Disney resorts have guest laundry on site. Isn't that awesome? Next, bring a nice outfit if you intend to go to a high-end restaurant, as signature Disney restaurants have a dress code. Boy, I just love getting all dolled up for the occasion. Sunglasses and hats are a must. Protect your eyes, scalp, and skin, my friends. Our AllEars team has been to the parks more times than we can count, so we know this for a fact. Bring clothes of all kinds of weather. Even if you're traveling in the summer, nights can get cool and you might need an extra layer in air-conditioned restaurants. During the winter and early spring or late fall, temperatures can vary drastically, so you might even need to pack gloves and a hat. Check the average temperatures during your visit and keep an eye on the weather before you leave. Here's a list of things that people far too often forget. Oh, those poor unfortunate souls! For one, don't forget an extra pair of shoes. Pack the cute shoes that'll look good with every outfit, but don't forget to throw those comfy shoes in the bag, just in case. The last thing you want is to have to walk around the park in pain. Secondly, you'll want medication for headaches. Little things like medicine can be so easy to forget, but having them when you need them will be a lifesaver. The kiddos can get a tummy ache after eating too many sweets in the parks, and headaches are common after long days in the Florida heat. Of course, if you do end up forgetting these items, they can be purchased at your resort or at a first aid location in the parks, but just pack it and avoid the issue, okay? Next, bring aloe vera. If you go into the Disney park looking like Snow White and then come out resembling Sebastian, you may end up miserable. There's a lot of sunburns happening at Disney World, and nothing soothes the pain better than aloe vera gel or lotion. It's also a great idea to pack an extra bag for souvenirs. Typically, our suitcases get stuffed to the brim and we forget all about the mementos. This bag doesn't have to be huge, but a small duffel that can fold up and fit into your luggage or can be brought on as a carry-on is a bright idea. That way, you don't have to worry about creating space to bring all of your newfound treasures home. Next up on the don't forget list is late-night snacks. Many quick-service dining locations throughout the parks close early or even before the parks close. To avoid leaving the park hungry, pack a few late-night snacks. Just a little something to fill your rumbly-tumbly before you hit the hay, so you don't have to lie awake hungry. Think of packing small items that travel well and won't spoil during the trip, such as nuts, granola, cereal, and oatmeal. Oh yes, we also recommend packing a nightlight for kids who might be afraid of the dark. It can sometimes be difficult for little ones to adjust to sleeping in a new place, but night lights or something like a plush from home that brings them comfort often does the trick. Now, let's go through packing tips for your day at the park. Pack light, people! If you're traveling the parks with a stroller, it's a bit easier to bring several bags with you, but just be aware that you will have to go through security as you enter the park, so keep all that stuff organized or you'll be spending a lot of your time in the bag check line and losing precious park time. Make sure those strollers fit into Disney's stroller size limits, which is a maximum 31 inches wide by 52 inches long. Better yet, go bag free and skip the long bag check lines. Remember, bringing along a few extras could save you some time and money. Here's things you will definitely need: a cell phone, wallet with tickets, ID, and several forms of payment, any prescribed medications you might need throughout the day, and your magic band or puck. If you've got a small bag, bring that stuff along as well. A foldable rain poncho, Ziploc bags to keep your things dry on Splash Mountain and Cali River Rapids, a small bottle of sunblock, snacks, and hand sanitizer or wet wipes. Packing a larger bag over there, Mary Poppins? Might as well throw these in if you've got the space. A phone charger, comb and hair accessories, extra change of clothes for every family member, activities to keep the kids or yourself busy in line, hats, sunglasses, umbrella, and cooling towels. You can thank us later. Wow, what a list, am I right? What do you pack when you're headed to Walt Disney World? What do you swear by in your park bag? Share them with us in the comments below, and we'll add it to our list. And don't forget to pick up your copy of the list at AllEars.net/ultimate-packing-list. I'm Margot Jordan with All Ears TV, and we hope you have the best and the best packed Disney trip ever. Bye!